When we need to remotely update the display screen and send programs, we need to use the Xiaohui Cloud Platform to operate. This video will show the steps to bind the device to the Xiaohui Cloud Platform. First, visit the Xiaohui Cloud Platform through the browser to register an account. Fill in the correct registration information. After registration is complete, open the Magic Layer software in LCD display. Mouse operation. Click 4 times in a row in any corner of the screen. Remote control operation. Click the menu button. Enter the multifunction settings interface. Click System Mode. Set the system mode to networking mode. Check the server address and username. Finally, click Save. Return to Xiaohui Cloud Platform. You can view the bound devices in the device list. Now you can update the display screen materials and programs.